In today's video, we're going to show you how you can sync your Printful products with your Webflow Ecommerce store using Byteline. So right here, we've got the women's relaxed t-shirt product with 6 different size variants. We want this to be synced into our Webflow Ecommerce store here. So the first thing that we're going to do is go into our Byteline dashboard, select Create a Sync. We're going to select Printful. And note that I've already established connections and given authentication between the two. So this should go pretty quickly. Now we've got a few templates to select from. We can either sync products, sync our orders, or start from scratch if we need customization. We're going to select products. We've got Webflow, and select our site. Now, before we go live with anything, we want to make sure that you know exactly what's configured and set expectations of what's going to happen. So a lot of the steps have been taken care of for you as part of this template, but we do need to decide on what we need to do with the existing products and product variants that are within the Webflow e-commerce store. And for the purposes of today's video, we're going to keep those products and the product variants. And now here's an overview of what will happen. Nothing's going to happen within Printful because we want it to go from Printful into Webflow. And then that single product and those 6 variants are going to be created. So we're going to start this sync. And now the first step is to get those product and product variants over. And then we're going to monitor for any changes going forward. And depending on how many products you have, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. There is a throttle that's imposed between these apps. So this is now live. And we can see here that we've got the product that was created and then all of those variants. And then as this list grows, this is where we can check for specific search criteria. Let's say you have several hundred or thousands of different records here. You want to be able to search for exactly what you need. And to do that, we can search by the record ID that can be found within the details here. We also have the ability to filter based on time, the direction of the sync, the destination table, the action that was taken, whether it is update, create, or delete, and then the status of that record. So it shows that everything was done successfully. So let's go into our Webflow e-commerce store, update this page. We can see that that women's relaxed t-shirt was added here, along with those size variants. So everything looks to be working correctly. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.